July 3rd, and it's absolutely fucking gorgeous day. It's only like 65 according to the thermometer, but sun beating on me tells me it's gonna get hot as fuck. So anyway, this right here, this is of course a rose, and you can see by the fucking big old rootstock that it's been there for quite some time. I think probably as long as this building's been here. So anyway, when the old manager got the boot, I don't know why, but they filled this up with chips, I guess, so they wouldn't have to fuck with it anymore. And then the new like maintenance dude or whatever guy, Ron, he bucked. This was an existing rose bush, and over there, the one with all the blossoms on it, or some blossoms on it, was a rose bush that had been there for fucking ever. I mean, really, they were like 4 feet wide, fucking 8 foot tall. They were massive. So that dude, and I thought he was absolutely fucking nuts. That dude just bucked hunks off of it and stuffed them in the fucking planter about every 2 feet. And I'll be goddamned if a couple of them didn't take. That one's definitely alive. There's some weeds next to it, but I'm not going to touch his fucking plants because this is all Ron, man. He's proud of them too. So, and this right here, this is another one. All he did was fucking buck them off and stuff them in the dirt and walk away. You know, I guess he waters it now and then. But isn't that just fucking incredible? I think that's fucking incredible. So, there's 1, 2, here's another one, the third cutting. This one dried out a little bit, but it's all right. I mean, really, regardless of whatever the fuck happens to the foliage here, that shit's gonna be viable now. It's alive, it's kicking. This was a mother plant that he knocked back and left some on here. This was actually just loaded with blossoms. You can see he deadheaded them. See, because he's not fucking around. He knows what's going on. And right after he deadheaded them, look at what fucking happened. Look at this shit. This thing is just so happy and so fucking eager. I don't think either one of these roses have ever been like severely pruned. And like most plants, and look at this right here. I think that's a sucker. I think this is a sucker, and I don't even know if roses throw suckers, but that's a fucking sucker. I really don't think he'd plug the twig in right here next to it. And it's all brand new growth. I mean, and just, good God, look at it. Look at the color. And the beautiful blossoms. I don't know if you can see it, but this one on the tips, you know, it's getting old, and it's kind of like a fuchsia colored on the tips. Just fucking radical. These roses have never had it this good. Here's another one that he plugged in, and I mean, just fucking happier than hell. I think he put some in over here, but it looks like nothing took. I don't know, that's a tiny rose blossom. That's kind of interesting. I think that's just leftover shit. I really don't know. But, oh, look, somebody's dog pooped right there. Or cat. It's probably a cat. Yeah. So anyway, this planter box didn't do so well, but those other two are just fucking screaming. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Later. I guess I might talk to you tomorrow. See ya.